guys, welcome to another vlog. This is exciting. I have a new camera because if you saw my Instagram stories, my old G7X broke. I had to pay $300 for a repair, but they ended up being like, we'll replace it. And I was like, okay, great, that's annoying, but still better than nothing. And then in the mail yesterday, I got the G7X Mark II. So we have some cool new features. I hope the quality's pretty good. I'm not looking too cute right now, so maybe the quality shouldn't be too good right now. I am so excited to vlog today. I have missed it so much. I'm so excited. Today has not really gone as planned. I was going to go to bar class. I'm in my workout clothes. I was gonna go to 8:15 bar to get my day started, but then something came up with my mom's car, so we're having to drop it off at the Jeep dealership. That's where I'm at right now. So it's okay. It's actually funny because I was listening to a Coffee Talk, the Kaylin Nicholson podcast, and she's talking about resisting life, you know, trying to force things instead of just letting it go with the flow sometimes. And this morning we just had to go with the flow because, you know, just need to help my mom out, and I'll work out later today. Maybe. We'll see. But it's a fun day, so that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna head home, shower, get ready because we have a fun business day coming up, and I can't wait for you guys to come along. Darn it. Here is today's business babe look. I am really excited for it. I wanted something cute, comfy, but since I am taking pictures today with some girls for my event, this top, oh, I don't know where it's from, I'm sorry. I think it's from Lizard Thicket. This though, I get a lot of questions on this blazer, and I love wearing these like casual blazers. Forever 21 is the place. I was actually looking on the website this morning and they have a few on sale for like $10. So just search women's blazers on Forever 21 and you'll find a ton. This belt is from Boohoo. These jeans are Madewell, and then these shoes are my mom's, but I know you can find a similar pair at Target. So yeah, that's the look. And then I did my hair a little differently. I blow dried it, straightened it, middle parted it. So I think it looks very chic. And yes, I'm very excited for today. Okay guys, before I hit the road, I have to show you my absolute new favorite way to listen to educational, motivating, inspirational books while I'm driving. It's kind of sad I don't even listen to music anymore, guys. I'm always trying to listen to something educational when I drive, and Blinkist is going to be amazing. I've mentioned it on my channel before, and I'm mentioning it again because I love them. So a statistic says that CEOs read over 60 books a year, and you know, that's what we're trying to be here. We're trying to be boss babes, bosses. So Blinkist breaks down all your favorite non-fiction books. This is what I've been listening to and reading lately. They break them down into little bite-sized chunks, so you're getting all the goodness of the books in a shorter amount of time. I normally don't get subscriptions, like online subscriptions. I think they're annoying, but Blinkist is definitely worth it, guys. You can listen to a book in just 15 minutes a day, so that's like on your way to school, on your way home. You can listen to your favorite books about marketing and sales, entrepreneurship, motivation and inspiration, science, personal growth and self-improvement. And so I have a discount for you guys below, so make sure to check it out. Right now I'm listening to Success Secrets of the Online Marketing Superstars because I'm marketing my event. So I love how you can read it or you can listen, and that's what I'm going to do while I drive. I always want to be a lifelong learner, and I think it's a perfect way to get those inspirational, motivational, educational tidbits in your day. And those are my dogs, so I should probably head out. Okay. But today I'm doing things dedicated to my event. If you don't know about my event, I've been promoting it on social media quite a bit, but I'm going to put the link in the description box. If you are in the Knoxville or Tennessee area, or even in Atlanta, North Carolina, South Carolina, like any surrounding areas, you guys can come to my event, or if you want to make it a road trip. It is August 4th, so it is about it's a week and a day away, a week from tomorrow, and I have lots to do. So I'm actually going to the event space right now to check it out, to make sure everything looks good, to look where the outlets are at, to talk with the owner just to get a feel for it because I haven't seen it in a few months in person. So I'm going to go there today. I'm going to show you guys. It's the cutest event space. I'm so excited to be there. So I'm going to do that, and then I actually have a photo shoot with our two other speakers, Bethany and Lacey. We are going to take some promotional photos so we can promote the event this week on our social media. So it is a jam-packed day, and then I think I have a date night with Joshua later tonight. So it's a really good Friday, and I'm excited. Let's go. stopped working, so we're on the DSLR, but I'm here with Lacey.
Hi.
She's gonna be talking about Instagram Saturday, and then I'm here with Bethany, and she's gonna be talking about being a photographer and full-time entrepreneur, and we're actually at the side of Big Lots. But Bethany suggested it, and it's really good actually. It works.
It's got great light.
Got great lighting, we got the white wall, and so we're set up to do some promotional photos here. There's the camera, and then we're gonna be right here. I'll set you guys up and do a time lapse. I think that'll be fun.
You're good. Just not hit the camera.
We have so many cars coming through.
I was watching the skies fall over. I was living life fast like a rover. Mostly drunk and I'm seldom sober. Works when you're young but gets harder when you're older. Then you came with your smiles and your sunshine. Didn't think a girl like you could ever be mine. Walking over a borderline. Never really thought that I'd find the time, but oh.
Okay guys, I'm back home and I've had the worst luck with my new camera. Like, Canon, thank you for this new Mark II, but it says memory card locked, and yes, I know there's a lock on the side of the memory card. It's not on lock and it still is doing this. I may have just fixed it. It sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, because they're gonna obviously send me another replacement for free, but I wanted my phone for next weekend for the event. Anyway, it was so great meeting with Bethany and Lacey. They're amazing. I love them. So cute, so sweet, and I'm so excited to share this special day tomorrow. We got lots of cute photos that are gonna be on my Instagram. Make sure to check them out. Right now I'm gonna edit the video we all took together and also email, because guys, I wanted to give a little insight into the event just because, you know, I don't want it to look like everything's perfect, because yes, it's awesome, but we've had problems. One of the biggest things is catering. I cannot get someone to sponsor the food. I can pay for it, thankfully. The cost of tickets we've sold so far can pay for it, but I would really love to get it sponsored, and so I've been sending out emails like crazy. I just got denied this morning on a sponsorship on a catering company that I really thought was gonna work, so it's a little sad. I wanted to tell you guys though that it's not all perfect, and yes, there were a lot of obstacles in my way. This has not been the only obstacle in my way so far for this event, and I'm gonna do a whole podcast episode and maybe a video about all the things that came up during this and how I kind of pushed through them and come up with other ways. So I'm gonna go get a snack and then do some more work, edit this video. I think I may have fixed it. This is all look at this quality too. Guys, this is what I use. Paper clip. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself.
Oh, yeah. I guess it's what I'm here for. Guess it's what we're here for. We could start all over. My arm over your shoulder. This could be the first and last time. I'll warm you when it's colder. Be there when you get older. This could be the first and last time. You were living life fast like perfection.
So I totally forgot to vlog dinner. Sorry about that. I had a really good Southwest chicken wrap and some sweet potato fries with the family. Now I'm at Walgreens because I'm gonna pick up some stuff for s'mores because Joshua and I are having a bonfire. I had to force myself to just like relax and put on some music, because even though it's great to, you know, hustle and be on that grind like this morning, and when I'm being productive, I love listening to podcasts, listening to Blinkist, you know, you also need a time to reset and to relax. Work time is over, it's now time to relax and have fun. So that's why I'm really excited for tonight, because yeah, like I said, it's great to hustle and grind, but you also need time to relax. So find people that you love hanging out with that make you relax and make you just laugh and have a good time and not worried about your inbox. That's what I'm doing today. We're gonna go get some s'more stuff. Thinking about making this the best s'more ever and getting Dove chocolate instead of Hershey or Ghirardelli maybe. Joshua's dog is the cutest. Leary! Made a s'more, got our bonfire going, and we're watching Friday Night Lights. We just started the series. Yum.